Assalamu alaikum, and today I'm going to be unboxing a gaming keyboard and mouse set. So it's like a mechanical gaming keyboard and mouse. So let's get right into it. And yeah, this is my makeshift POV shot thingy. Start off by opening the box. Nice, we got this extra packaging, as Amazon always does. Wastage. Oh, nice. We got the keyboard. So let's just open this thing up and see what it has. Ooh, nice. So manual guide. So yeah, this is the keyboard. Okay, let's open this thing up. Look at that. You can see it's got the nice look to it. Turn around. Nothing much. You can hear it. It's a nice clicky sound. And this is just the wire. So I have opened the keyboard and mouse and I set it up, connected it, and it is on now. And you can see this is the mouse. It's a pretty solid, heavy mouse. It's got 2 buttons on the side, 2 more buttons here, left click and right click, and then 1 more there. And yeah, the keyboard is nice. It's got different light functions. You press FN and you can change the different functions. That's off, on. So if you press it, different functions, just like that. And the mouse is got night modes as well. Yeah, it's a pretty solid keyboard. This is my current setup. It is pretty loud still, so if you're typing normally, it'd be, which is loud, louder than normal compared to this. So yeah, that's the end of this review. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.